Hi, this is Jack Ram, and I've put together this short video on how to design a meeting. First, you'll click the Create New Meeting button. This will open up a window where you can select the type of meeting. I'm going to choose Strategy Session. And here, I'm going to begin filling in the details about my meeting. Its title, how long it will last. Notice when I choose a number of participants greater than 20, it notices and brings me to a screen that helps me understand how to do large group meetings. I'll then fill in my objective for the meeting and, just as important, what deliverables. What do I want to walk away from this meeting with? Next, you'll have an agenda that's created for you. And each agenda item has Jack's tips. So for that agenda item are specific suggestions as to how to deal with that agenda item. You can see the next one is the burning platform, which is very important for meetings, that you have a burning platform. When the agenda is presented to you, you'll notice there are times already assigned to each agenda item. These are changeable, editable by you as a user, and when you change a value, all of the other times are adjusted to add up to the duration of your meeting. You can also add a new agenda item and a duration time for that, and that will in turn cause everything to adjust to meet the duration of your meeting. Once you've done that, you can enter in participants for the meeting, basically name, job title, and their email. This is a meeting summary, just for you to check, make sure everything is correct. When you hit create at this point, what you'll get is your meeting design, and these are the meetings that you have already designed. The blue one is the one that we just created. I'll click on that. This is an overview of the meeting that we just created, a brief discussion of each one of the agenda items and how long they're scheduled for. You have the ability to go back in and edit that. And then this is an overview of all of my tips organized by the agenda item. So you'll be able to review those at this point. You'll also be able to go in and ask questions. This is a look backwards at questions that you would have asked while you were creating the meeting. You have the ability to print your agenda, and when you print it, it'll be the agenda item, the number of minutes, and my tips for each agenda item. If you want to revisit the Q&A with Jack, that's easily done through this button. You can ask another question, up to a limit of 4 questions per session. So hopefully that will give you an overview of how to use the system, and feel free to contact me if you have any questions.